Good morning, all. Welcome to our market outlook. First of all, let me start with a brief review. Last day, key indices ended a 0.6% lower as profit booking snapped a 3-day rally. Profit booking was seen across the board with the FMCG, real estate, capital goods, and information technology taking the worst hit. Mid and small cap shares underperformed the large caps after outperforming them in last few sessions. The BSE mid cap and small cap fell 0.9% and 0.8% respectively. The advanced decline ratio ended on a negative side. On the NSE, 516 shares have declined and 207 shares have advanced. Foreign institutional investors net sold futures worth 1.02 billion rupees and index futures worth 333 million rupees on NSE. FII net bought Indian shares worth 10.5 billion rupees on NSE and BSE combined, while domestic institutional investors net sold shares worth 8.5 billion rupees. Top 5 NSE gainers were Asian Paint, ACC, NTPC, Sun Pharma, and Kotak Mahindra Bank. Whereas the top 5 NSE losers were Hindustan Unilever, Gain India, HCL Technology, and Hindalco Industries. Index major Hindustan Unilever registered a steep fall in the last half an hour of trade on account of weak October-December earnings. Hindu Unilever fell as much as 5% intraday as a sales volume growth of 5% in the December quarter missed the street estimates of 7 to 9%. It acted as a drag on the entire index, causing the Nifty to cross below its key support of 6,050 mark for the first time in a 3 section. HUL has a weightage of around 2.64% in the Nifty. So that caused the Nifty to correct drastically following Hindustan Unilever correction. Shares of some jewelry makers fell 1 to 3% on the government's decision to hike import duty on gold by 2% to 6%. Oil and gas shares, which had rallied in the past 2 sessions, also succumbed to profit booking. BPCL and Ken India fell around 2% each, while Gain India down 4.6% at 369 rupees. Disappointing October-December earnings dragged Dish TV 73.65 rupees, while strong numbers helped lift Bank of Maharashtra by 0.4%. Kotak Mahindra Bank and Asian Paints, but the weak trend on the back of strong October-December earnings. The former rose 1.5%, while the latter up 2.9%. On the option front, 6,000 and 6,100 put options saw some buying interest, while traders sold 6,100 and 6,200 call options, which exerted some pressure on the Nifty, pulling it below 6,050 mark in the spot market. However, option distribution data suggests that the index is unlikely to break 6,000 mark as the maximum open interest continues to be in 6,000 put option. Coming to today's outlook, the positive trend in overseas market is likely to help the domestic indices open up today, but the bouts of volatility and profit booking at higher levels can be expected, and it may cap the upside in Nifty. Also, the downside in indices is seen limited at as most traders don't expect the Nifty to slip below 6,000 levels. Market participants expect some more profit booking in shares of oil and gas companies, particularly oil marketing firms. Last day, US share rose, making S&P 500 close at a 5-year high as corporate earnings season kicked off on a positive note. A Republican proposal of a hike in US debt ceiling to tide over bill payment for nearly 4 months also lifted sentiment onto Wall Street. And the home sales data, which was announced last day, was disappointing as existing home sales recorded an unexpected drop in December. The equity market in Japan was down today as exporters lost favor due to the yen, a sharp rise against major currencies. Other Asian indices are trading positively, taking positive cues from Wall Street. The yen rose around 1% on last day as the much anticipated aggressive monetary easing by the Bank of Japan is scheduled to begin only in 2014. Back home, stock-specific action may be seen as investors eye October-December earnings of companies. Havels India, JSW Energy, Karnataka Bank, Reliance Communication, Sun TV Network, and Seal Entertainment Limited, Syndicate Bank are the some major companies which will unveil its result today. So all these counters may witness some volatile movement ahead of the earnings numbers and guidance. So that's all from my side. Thank you. I wish you a happy trading day.